Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WooCommerce orders after migration issues, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, identify the issues caused by the migration. Check if WooCommerce orders are missing or corrupted. Back up your current database before making any changes. Access your hosting control panel or use an FTP client. Navigate to the directory where your WordPress files are located. Locate the wp-config.php file and download it for editing. Open the wp-config.php file in a text editor. Ensure the database credentials are correct and match your migrated database. Log into your database management tool, like phpMyAdmin. Select your migrated database from the list of databases. Look for the WP_posts table within the database. WooCommerce orders are typically stored as shop_order in the post_type column. Run a query to retrieve existing order data. If orders are missing, check for any related tables, such as WP_post meta. Examine WP_post meta for any missing post IDs that correspond to orders. If data appears incomplete, consider restoring the database from an earlier backup. If no backups exist, you may need to manually recreate essential orders. Gather previously recorded order details from your records or emails. Use the WooCommerce order creation tools in the dashboard to recreate orders. Input all necessary order information, including customer details and products. After creating the orders, verify that they appear correctly in the WooCommerce orders section. Test the order functionality by completing a purchase from the front end. If everything appears in order, proceed to check for any extensions or plugins that may affect order visibility. Update all WordPress themes and plugins to the latest versions. Clear the cache if a caching plugin is in use. Monitor the site for any further issues in the days following the migration. Document the steps taken and any errors encountered for future reference. Consider reaching out to WooCommerce support if problems persist. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.